Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neka. One of my videos, there was a comment for me to do a video on the product I use on my hair. So I have just washed my hair. My hair is due to be relaxed. When I say relaxed, I mean permed, as some people call it. But I don't want to perm or relax my hair now. The last time I did was in July, so I intentionally want to leave it for a while. So today I just washed my hair. I used my original dandruff shampoo and the effective mega growth damage free in washing my hair. You can use any shampoo. Okay, so in treating my hair, I do go to the salon to treat my hair once in a while. It's not as if I go to a salon all the time to treat my hair. It's expensive. So in this video I'll be showing you the product I use. Some of the products, sometimes you mix. The last time I treated my hair was 3 weeks or 2 weeks ago, and some of the product in here wasn't used in the last treatment I used. But I'm going to show you the products I used in this for this treatment. Use what you've got in your house, in your kitchen, in your bathroom. You will find something to treat your hair. So I use a Perfective leave-in conditioner. It's £3.49. That's how much it is. I added the vertical coconut hair product. You don't have to use, this was £4.19. You don't have to use this particular brand. You can use any coconut hair oil, or you can make it yourself. I also use a Pantene oil. I'm mixing them together. In doing this, I don't know how much this is. I just saw this one in the house and I'm adding it. So it's not a religious thing I do. It's a once in a while. I don't know if I've mentioned this. Argan oil conditioner. I don't know, but it's in the house as well. And I used honey. We can all get honey anywhere. Any honey, original, use original, yeah. And I used this. It's shea butter. This was £1. You can get it anywhere, but get the original one. It's raw, you know, in treating your hair if you want to. I added 1 egg to this product, and the last thing I'm going to be adding is banana. I'm just going to mix them. Oh, when I did that, actually I put it in the microwave to heat for 2 minutes before adding I didn't add that with the egg. Every other thing, you know, the conditioner, all the oil, coconut oil, conditioner, the shea butter, I put them in the microwave for 2 minutes. So when I brought it out, I added the honey, the egg, and now the banana. I'm going to mix that together. Sister is going to help me apply this product. So this is just the conditioner, the treatment. I'm going to treat with all of this. That's how the final product looks like. You can blend the banana with a blender before pouring it in if you like, but in this demonstration I used my hand in blending it, you know, with a spoon. I just smushed them together. So we are done applying this product to my hair, and while applying the product, it was massaged for 15 minutes. You don't have to stay that long. Personally, I wouldn't do it for 15 minutes, but because I've got assistance, that's why I'm doing it for 15 minutes. But I'll leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Massage everything into your hair, into your scalp, and it's really soft. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to cover my hair now and blow dry. Okay, so I'm covering my hair and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off after that. At this stage, you can blow dry your hair or sit under a dryer for 30-45 minutes. But because I don't have that patience, you see, I'm just going to leave it for 30 minutes and do other stuff. I'm done washing my hair and blow drying it. So what I did is, after leaving it for 30 minutes, I blow dried the hair for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I took the cap off, washed it off without a shampoo or just water. I only use water in washing it off. So after blow drying it, towel dry, blow dry, well, towel dried first before blow drying. So I am going to take I usually like to put this on my hair first. You can use any anti-breakage strengthener. You can use any, what's it called? I don't remember, but it's don't know what it's called. It's different from the normal cream. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So this is different from, I'll show you later, but this is, I take a reasonable amount. I apply this all over my hair. Oh, God. So once that's done, I would normally take my tail comb, pat my hair. One thing I forgot is make sure you blend your banana before mixing it, because you don't want what happened to me to happen to you. If it's not blended well, it becomes an issue. So make sure you blend your banana very well. I am taking the Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment cream. It is £4.99. £4.99. So I'm going to put that on my scalp. My hair feels so soft. I also use the heat defense cream. This is really affordable. It's 99p. So because I use heat on my hair all the time, I'm going back to this and rubbing all over my hair, all over. This is a leave-in conditioner. All these are optional. You don't have to use everything, but because I've got them, I am using it. It smells so good. This is another argan oil. It's $2.99. this one. Another thing I do with my hair, I always brush my hair. Most of the time I brush my hair. I do not comb my hair. Back to my coconut oil. I'm going to apply a reasonable amount all over my hair and my scalp. If you like, you can add your shea butter to it. If you like. With my hair, I'm very careful what I add to it. I don't just go for anything. I read them and I'm really careful with what I add. So I don't have a specific go-to for my hair. I'm just brushing it out. I'm basically done with my hair. It's late already, so I'm going to go to bed like this. Tomorrow I find any style I want to use for this hair. So yes, these are the hair products I use on my hair. Leave a comment to know what product you already use, and what product you like to use, and what other product you think I could use on my hair. I don't have a particular product I use on my hair. I am open to options and suggestions I can use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. Alright, have a good day, good evening. Bye.